I got baptized, so I don't need to go to church. I don't need to speak it in tongues. I don't need to live a lot. I can still go to parties. I can still go to the clubs. I can still do, everything I want to do because I got saved, y'all. I am just gonna live my life. It's my life. God gave me my life. I can speak things into being because God gives me those things to do. I can bring for anything I want because I am a child of God. God said He made me in His image. Hey, cut it. Cut it. That's not how it goes. When you got baptized, that is just the beginning. The beginning, because you got to walk. We're looking now at Galatians chapter 5. You're going to walk. You got to live in the Spirit as well. You walk in the Spirit. You got to also live in the Spirit. So, of course, you can't go to the club. And of course, you should not be sinning. And of course, you cannot ambition. Be careful. You can't manifest things into being. Check yourself again before you wreck yourself. Bye-bye.